Why am I making this account all wrong? Why am I doing everything wrong if I'm trying to show you how to make money online? I am doing things the way that you will not see other people do this when you get into the making money online niche and you see people come across your FYP. And why am I doing that? I'm doing that to show you that this is not for me to make money. This is for you to make money. Why? Why would I do that if I'm in the making money online niche? I'm not. I am using the information that I got from Legendary Marketer. Now I'm going to tell you to click and copy and paste the link. And yes, there's going to be only one thing up there though. So click it or copy and paste it and take the 15-day challenge. And then I took the business blueprints, and I am telling you this because I spent 4 to 5 years chasing every freaking shiny side hustle out there, every easy way to make money online. And were they easy? Absolutely. You could set them up easily. Some of them took more effort than others, but you could sign up, you could start something, you could create a shop, a print on demand, and Etsy, you could do paid surveys, you can do drop shipping, you can do all those things fairly easily with some guidance. But if nobody sees your stuff, if you don't target the right audience, and if you have no idea what you're doing when it comes to marketing, your business is going nowhere fast. I even started my own service-based business, which is where I make the most of my money online right now. However, I have other things that I work on. I have other accounts. This is not the one that I'm created specifically for making money online. If I benefit from it, that will be awesome. If I make some commissions here and there, and yes, it is an affiliate link. So if you click it, the 15-day challenge is $7. I may get $1 commission. If you were to invest farther, I might get another commission above and beyond that. But that's not what I'm trying to do with this account. I was so friggin' mad that I spent all my time, all my energy, all my money. And even though I was trying to do it for free, you still have to invest here and there in the odd little thing. I was trying my best to do this, and I was sure I could do it and I could succeed. And I saw some sales. I took some smaller courses or some subscriptions, and I paid for the odd thing here and there to get a bit more support from people. But it wasn't a very big investment. It wasn't a big investment, and it didn't get me very far. So I went back, and finally I took the 15-day challenge because I had heard of Legendary Marketer multiple times. And if you know anything about making money online, you know you need a funnel. So I would normally have a lead magnet up here. Go back and watch the videos on lead magnets and email lists and clickbait and all those things. I would have something to reel you in. And then I would have something for you to click on, and that would be a lead magnet where I'm going to give you a free ebook that tells you how to do certain things, or it tells you the lingo about making money online, or it tells you whatever. I would give you a PDF, a guide, something for free, and you would give me your email address. And then I would go back and retarget you, which means I would send you emails multiple times with the link in it and convincing wording to try and get you to look through the email and to think maybe this is for you. Because it takes someone an average of 5 to maybe 12 times before they'll purchase something or invest in something. For me, it might have been about 25 times because it took me 4 years of seeing Legendary Marketer and brushing it off. And then only when absolutely every other friggin' thing failed did I vow that if I found the one thing, because people were still successful, they were still making money online, just not me, and why. And so I vowed when I found out what that was, I was going to share it with you. And that's what this account is for. Cutting through the crap and not signing you up for free ebooks or PDFs so that I can send you emails multiple times until you realize this is for you. Not trying to trick you by saying, here, make print on demand, make an Etsy shop. I make money on those every month. And then you do that and you don't make money. And I say, but here's how I make the most of my money. Let me show you. Let me tell you how. And then all of a sudden I get you into something like this. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to tell you right away what it is that you need. You need the right training. You need the right education. You need the right tools, and you need the right support. And if you don't have that, the success that you're hoping to find, it's going to be a whole lot harder to achieve than you think it is. So my name is Jen, and again, I spent the 4 to almost 5 years trying every freaking thing out there, and I still get excited every now and again when I see something come across my FYP, and I'm like, that sounds easy, that sounds good, that sounds interesting, and it takes me a matter of a couple of seconds before I look further into it and I realize it is exactly the same thing as everything else. If you don't have the information that those people have, if you don't have the training they have, if you don't have the knowledge they have, you don't have any of that, you're not going to find the success that you want to find, that you need to find maybe, that you're hoping to find. So click the link, take the 15-day challenge, at least start there, and then like, follow, and stick around. And I'm going to share with you all that I can to cut through the crap so you don't have to be led on one goose chase after another, trying to figure out and trying to find the right information. That is what this account's for. That's why I'm doing it all wrong. It is not for my benefit, but it'd be nice in the end if I benefit from it. This, however, is for your benefit. This is for you to not have to do that, not waste 4 years like I did. Sure, it was a learning experience. Yes, I'm in the position now to be able to share all this information, but it was something that if I could have traded in that time and got it back and got that success sooner, I would have rather spent the time with my kids, gone on holiday, not had to work as much. I would have rather done anything with that time than fail over and over again. So if you want to make money online, take my word for it, learn from the best, and click the link.